Let's create your avatar on Facebook. You can find this option on both Facebook and Messenger application. On Facebook, you can do it here. Then I will move to Messenger. First open Messenger, then tap your profile photo, then scroll down and tap Avatar. Now tap Make your avatar. First, you can select whatever the skin tone you want. I will scroll down and select this one. Then I will tap Next. Then for the hairstyle, I use long. I will select this one. Alright, let's go for next one. For the color, I use first one. I don't think much more about that. Then face shape, scroll down a little bit and I will find something better. I will select this. Yeah, that's much better. Like that, you can go forward. You can try all these out. I'm not going to show you each and every one. You can try this out. If you want to add some makeup, you can add that makeup too. Now my avatar is much better. Like that, you can try these all. After finish, tap Done. Then your avatar is loading. Then tap Next. Now tap Done. Here is your avatar. Then, if you want to add some stickers, you can tap sticker icon. You can select whatever the sticker you want. Then I will go back. Again, if you want to customize your avatar, you can click this pencil icon. I go back. Then after done, I will click this icon. Then you can share your avatar anywhere you want. I will share on Facebook. This is my avatar. Then tap Post. Then we move to the Facebook. Let's go to the news feed. So this is my avatar. You can do much better than me. That's how you create your avatar on Facebook. Thanks for watching. See you soon.